Osane na ebonkai na ebonkai a baby ba kope na akwa yebo ne aso anu de am Dimpa Natural Health Clinic omo na be na we jan na so na ne makoye pa etimiera mako a bibidro yere be ma ubenya ayaisa we jan na so na ne makoye pa etimiera ma bobo de tora so a ebi fia ma no ne etimi ewram kama so no etimiera ma se ne wo obi a osa edi ninya na oni mpatamu ano oro wani chemo wo maso omre na ya boa na nipa na jan na so na ne ma de ye kama so no etimiera ma no na ntoto no etimi dadi ti sa pepe edesi atia ni nyina mo no ye de ewram nso etimi ediamanti fa namba yi na nkomodidie bia abomodin na eni omundi na yemwa na ne mandida ye pa etimi emfama na se na mun community 0249 0245 118434 0245 118434 na 0246 744 0246 744 744 me patro pomo second floor odo ani achemo we last towers no de chem so baby ankane na manshia health insurance scheme no rona omo ebo ejuma Dimpa Natural Health Clinic Dimpa yes na hunya Dimpa Natural Health Clinic stomach ulcer last stop ne aboa na ne ma de da yi so no etimi ediamant o madaroma ye baba betramo bo de ebo ejuma no ere ma kama pa drinks ni ye mienu pe eno na abedwama so ankofo agere atomo your mizo fruit drinks and afi mizo 5G mizo 5G no ejuma ba no eden habamba ni nduaba na ye de ayem tunya bibo a ema wodin sonkokra akoye ejuma den wawie no mixer 5G na se nete Ghana woman school for na boa netimi ma adwen na ada no etimi epeja no and afi so no ya bomode na ye jensi ni bi ewo me no so no eyi intini ma moja ni di efuse ne ye mema no emiesisi ni ye din grapes no ebomode ye yam niama no eno so ye ni ejuma nkanka akoma no ejina brane pa timi pa che mixer 5G eri omo ana di mizo fruit drinks na ba organic fruit suso eni abomode ndetimi edi aya ebo amane ma deda Dimpa etimi edi amanti ozo ko na kokojibi na abo na nhihye ndeda yeso no etimi edi ema kama opedodo na ene fa number ina nkomodi de bia na yendi 0246 270221 0246 270221 and after 0558 10634 0558 10634 niambwa nane manda di manager Daniel 21st clinic in overseas UGB afi mama Esther orwani chema domnia sunje junction Watra Baptist University no ewe bua kwa UGB PNC Ventures anamanje taxi station OC Charity Hospital junction no obejibi na Nasachi Enterprise no orwani chema safu abinchia onso de beboa nane makoye pa etimi e de amana unsa etimi akemina ne ma dadi so e de amana tatam ye sha se de black meteor so mo a e no monam go apaso a ne ehwe ne abomode aho ne ade na Fredachi na ne no the management committee rekwe no ye che ibiza non coach Ibrahim Tanko komanko fodiri ze coach kra ye ntwa ne ka ne du bebi a e betimi as agent ne ba na omo hwe abo mo ade ne de abreko ze koje be player ne ma ne mbobi na obebobi a e beboa na san komo ne se de ne ma city na chicheche mu sei and Obama to Jaffa coach Ibrahim Tanko.
I've known Tanko for a number of years, and I know his integrity. I know he's somebody that I can rely on, and someone that I do not think would. Basically, because he doesn't receive a monthly salary, and so he's going to take money from somebody. No, I know Ibrahim Tanko, and I know he won't do such a thing.
Ati anu ye command your pimpana bomode etimi edia to ya cheze den so bonza mpabo mo ade coach kona akwa kodwene coach bia sa ne ma no nya de so be ye da eno ye nkoma obomode de to ya na Derrick Osboatin former midfielder the man the Black Stars of Ghana on the bono obobo ne ye papa na tina calls Fulham Getafe na teams out on ne omo etimi ye juma na ne on your call up no na jeze obomode etimi edi ewramo adidi din command no boamane ma da ye pa ermenane on your collapse here in Ghana and as a former player a commodity we did found
people in charge that look they don't need to take anything from players or they don't need to pay, do the right things, you understand? Because if you can see some of the players they invite, even sometimes you can ask some of the players in the camp, they know some of their colleagues doesn't deserve to be there. I've spoke to a lot of them. And also, you can see a player playing down, another player sitting on the bench, and he knows that he's better than them, but he's playing. Why? You understand? Because this thing has been there. And for me, being a scout, it's about time, we change all these things. And for me, I know that to change Ghana football, to change a lot of things, all these things have to be stopped. We have to be fair. Players don't have to play in Romania and Serbia and then you are inviting them to the national team. No. I think it's better you invite the local players who are playing in Ghana because they are having competition better than the players who are playing in Romania and Serbia. You understand? So for me, it's about time we have to change all these things. We have to be fair. We have to be tough on our decision making.
Elti ano ye komo bo mo de timere tu dware nyina bo a ma ne ma kwe after no no si ohwe efi ne ma bi omo ye ne de omo de rama omo adwuma anka so omo ye no ohunu zo omo nim de omo ye say no bo mo de timere tu dware.
We have to be fair. And I don't know if the FA, I don't know how they approach this tournament. They haven't had preparation. They never prepare for that tournament. Like I'm saying, football has been played outside before you go to the field. And for me, we haven't done enough, to be in the Olympic Games. That's the results, because sometimes they think when you invite the players, then they have to go on the field and perform. No. It's not like that anymore. I think a lot of things have to be changed. A lot.
Elti ano ye command Derek Osubuatin help bobo de timere tu dwa otiri okana cheze onema bibra na e wo se hwe na esesa na ebo na ye football no nema deda ye kama pre timere me na nri asante twum apomode di nkomo ne oni ye nuanom original for era na di nkomo na de di kan no ana on bizanze the black meteors yi koko ram result e ba ye no na enye kra na kasama for the Ghana Football Association e de anu yaba sa de bia e wo so mo ye no omobo modern etimi eye na say no so de nchemu no e bo modern etimi ram
that we earmarked for the team. Yeah. The early arrival in Morocco, conditions, good hotel, training facilities, camping facilities. Yeah. So it was left for the team to prove themselves on the pitch. Everything that we earmarked for the team. Yeah.
Elti ano ye komo bo mo de tu ya cheza di bia na wo so ye ma black meteors no bo de etime na eno no ye bizanze S players ni bi so akasa se football no kwan ya fa so a ye no ne sele ni mesi kona hwa ebedu bebi no ye bo qualify pa na Ghana ye tia na bozi ni jemo ene Djibouti mu nyina hyehyehye na awabo mo de Derek Osubuati ni management bedu omo komo mu die no anu ye se na no so obo mo de ramo.
I know Derek, and I mean, and I wasn't surprised. And when I listened, I said, "This is Derek." Nothing surprises me in the interview. That's what I mean. I have a problem when you say you can't omuntie, but to say you can't omuntie, and there is no evidence to prove say okabibi nra and okabibi ne. On kanche da o kasai any nipo on ne kasai. And what did he say? It to make trust statement there. Obi abi to me make. But I'm saying. It has to be factual. I listened to Ajima Medu say after junior national IMF4 nebebo. Ghana junior national and Ghana national teams. I was say bebo. Even in his team in 2009, team I winning World Cup, they were all in the team. Charles Benson now not take Qatar no Vigroma. It is factually flawed. So let's make arguments with facts. I mean the problem. If the argument you present is factually accurate, I don't have a problem. But yeah, the emotions because it's as if say we were waiting for the team to fail for everybody to talk, and that is my problem. Oh yeah, no.
Elti ano so ye komo bobo de etimi eri etu dwa ni na bo mane ma de da ye pa etimi edi ama ni na run after no ye bizaza adwuma ni se ne mezikwe pressure bi de fi ne so ana be waze oflate ye call major tournament bi a ne man ko ye mfama eno so anu ye se no bobo de rejai
national pressure there. Wow on you are pressure to yourself because you want to succeed in life. So what I say, until you don't need external pressure to feel that there is pressure on you. But maybe a free year. People are known to results. 2006 ago World Cup, 2010 you do quarter final, 2014 and 2018 and qualify. No, national pressure there. Wow on you are pressure to yourself because you want to succeed in life. So what I say, until you don't need external pressure to feel that there is pressure on you. But maybe a free year. People are known to results. 2006 ago World Cup, 2010 you do quarter final.
Elti ano ye command area Asante Twum kasama fuerema the Ghana Football Association abomode etimeda tudwa wa chechi man nyina bo amane ma dadi impede mama kona me ni general manager ma Dreams FC endi komo Aminu Shadow na yeresere ne media oban na bibi aboko de.
Oh, I want to have the chow.
TM there, yeah, yachu na. Gauzo there coming. Wow.
Say mabo mi sisa bibi nti untumi mfrɛ me po nti ya uka mo asɛm papa na wa frɛ me wana wa ama bibi aye papa nti uka mo asɛm papa na wetin afrɛ na wa frɛ me.
Oh, Dabi. And Teza, that's all there. Oh, the said that me zero tell. Oh, because he's also crack break. Ara.
Oh, yeah, friend. Yeah, friend. Why?
But your brother, you mean you say our dream serves the craft having in our bounty and your official some of the corner Makwaku Germana, the CAF Confederations Cup on 2023-2024. Imagine my Ghana Nima Bujma. Na emunche muna ne sere ne mesiti ne mokokushia na muntu amutu ye no. Chemu kakra, say ana seven ankaza zitie.
So Mickey, Abu Megasipi with the opportunity no. First and foremost, ube say decision way a check because now I was say a lot of deliberations, I was say a lot of research, then a lot of information. And this regard now, the same issue with the Namebo management of Asante Kotoko, Mebo Amabosopa, because they helped a lot in giving us vital information in arriving at this decision. Let's also about other people to say Odo Safoni. Management of house folk, Omo African pen, Omania experience in African pen. We took a lot of information from them, and they were very, very cooperative. Omo and my information in arriving at this decision. Now, in arriving at this decision, you share the negatives and positives of the participation in Africa. Say, by virtue of the FA Cup picking, now you are qualified for CAF Confederation Cup. But we also know that it takes a lot to play in such a competition. And the discussion is clear. Do we have the resources in here to execute an African campaign? As against with the Yentin Dana Yenshare but board no share management. They made a lot of presentations as to how I bet Boa Club. First and foremost, but especially in Africa, the bet Boa Club is created. Until the name themselves Grada. The mere fact that we participate in Africa will even give the club a different level of appeal and recognition. That's number one. Number two, Mr. Say, no, the Kitripan a board decision. This provides a very unique learning experience. Emma, every facet of the football club. Management, unique experience in participating in Africa in the woman. The technical team I assembled so unique experience to play in Africa, to rough shoulders and to take ideas from competing idea. And also the playing body also you get the first ever experience to play in the African club competition. A the different level of exposure. It's when you are the level of experience, any knowledge a free participation in Africa in future. And look at the number one motivator, MI arriving at this decision to compete. And our board also have been supportive all this work, and they've given assurance they'll provide the needed resources. Africa. But of course, management so will be responsible for mobilizing some of the resources. You see, these are the reasons you arrive at this decision.
Abaina, o kan we na me dem komo ne komo pa. But I yenim say ya na mpepi na Africa no oba. Ya this year CAF for grant mo license ne so be. But minim mo ya submission no venu ben na mo de kwa we yenim say Daudi ebia na ebe din say per standard na betimi hosti CAF competition. Nti eno so on komo ne te say.
You are absolutely right. The state of the venue wasn't adequate enough for qualified to play, and to identify Accra Sports Stadium as the home of the executive African campaign. Now, Abuni OSHA regulations as well during the preliminary round of such campaigns. Regulations when you qualify to the group stage, based on level now of the group. And people now know the already call your application was the Accra Sports Stadium. So I can confirm to you that indeed the application or Accra Sports Stadium may identify as your home grounds for the African campaign.
Confirm we so mame. Yes it name ye we no so aya na CAF for the rest be amo ma team be amo ni omo. Edin South, meaning, and also Bibisa, Koswama, nye team CBA, a partner, Prince FC team.
Yeah, Pato, women to my partner, and Chebia will make it public. Scenario say make it public. No, unfortunately, at this point in time now, I don't have the permission to make it public. But NCBA will make it public. Women's team call Africa, a boy qualify for Africa. So yes, we have it.
Okay, Africa also ne bone dem pa na wa transit ke ne mabuma. O ya monko anko ram no ka no ebetimi akwa du bezen.
Abu Awari
Sports. Oze.
Well, when you are Ariana.
About your dabi me why.
Okay, one very good advisor. Maybe a man for now per se why no more data and they say you don't need to have all the money in this world to marry. And yes,
no crepa.
In America, say we took vital information from Omo African adjusting to inflation and BPR. And I say, okay, to execute an African campaign, we need this level of resources. I let me execute it. And aboard now my assurance, of course, they are in a position to provide us such resources. But management also know we have some responsibility to mobilize resources. It no be kasaka maybe some party we can minimum be on ways you feel say better to collaborate I be raise added resources I be my executive a successful campaign.
And until ala atia me pese ka me hu estimate no ka be we ana yeso ye hu de yeso ye de be ba.
Oh, the woman say, unfortunately, no, I'm not in a position because I don't have the permission of more vital information every year. No, almost some financials, and I said, they entrusted us with that information. Boy, in this making, any permission from them to release such figures in public. And it would be very disingenuous on my part. Say, information, some other clubs or why graceful enough. Provide us a in decision making and be the I don't think it's the right thing. In Kibia, any bedding commodity, some people say, do you think this is right to feed this to the public? So my permission there, why not? I'll be in the position to share with you.
Mate, now yeah, now the teams in the Africa now. Ebi mo strike almost strike power domestically almost strike but I will cost on na ye ya dimini man hye bi a squad no mo beefing up on 2-2 for Africa no ozo kona quality no se ro si pen wanya ne za bon za ize wakoye ye cho ha ne ye bro ha 2,000 za ne ade dimini ejeje no zo mo di agu na kwa mo no squad no se be Africa mo bo ba league no zo no mo ba mo mre.
And these are all part of discussions. Board management, it is. We are really in the transfer market. The transfer business. We put the squad, and not only the playing body, other areas of operations of the football club, technical team, even management, even the board level. They are looking to explore to bring more quality people on board. In the African campaign, but you feel say this is a very unique opportunity to gain vital experience and knowledge. For us, it's very key. A club in years to come. We might not see the result instantly. But with this participation, the kind of experience you are going to gain and the knowledge you are going to gather now, going forward in the sustenance of this football club going forward.
Mate, but trophy tour also maintain who shoe. That's a muji and Munyam checkers about that. Said any at Mobile and also a low kick.
Oh, you go so. I'm sure say by weekend no better be, but almost say we've been inundated with a lot of things. Obekaya, your youth team, and na executive successfully campaign to come into the Division 1. Your youth team no more Division 2, no still believe.
No Krananka, baby Bizarre was as a project in the project. I still believe as in Rabba no more bona crown and no things. Our project no the Babia Quadunaze annoyed your dreams Premier League. Still believe as Division 1.
This season, a lot of amazing things have happened to this family FM group. There are statistics in the year. It could be a candidate for relegation, but the highest finish of in the Premier League season. And I achieved this season. Yes, sir. FA Cup competition, the first major trophy of this football club. Now a youth, any developmental team still believe on board Division 2 no. Because of quality no on maybe team with Division 1. So a lot of amazing things have happened to us in the season already, but we've not had even time to even enjoy the fruits of their labor because a human idea, and into enjoyment, is very, very limited. But we are trying to see how well we can balance, so that they are all work and no play. But a human baby, time and find other things here. But I can assure you, going forward, we'll try and balance it to a certain way. Trophy to Nisanya, so for the club, that's how it decides my years we need.
Madi, Tiame Jamo Akoba, Africa, no man set a target, Diana. Well, in the Biu Qua, or Timikazo, where a mania, dear crying enemy money zone, Nama Quaqua, Timika, or minimum, man set a target, Biamamo.
Yeah, your target, very, very modest target. We know that this club is a very, very small club. The target is for us to gain all the experience needed for this football club and to get all the knowledge that is needed. So that's why I started season. Yanda Dream who said Yebeji FA Cup. We didn't even plan for it. But based on the quality now, I want to know if we did say any modern boy money in India, and a boy MIG FA Cup. So our first target is to collect and get the experience and the knowledge that is required to play at that level, to enhance the brand of the football club, to make vital contacts, any partnerships going forward. Now, I say club also performance on the field of play, the Echo Yena, and to boy MIA drew the further part of the competition there, if they found as a bonus. And it's about me who understand me here. The first target is for us to get the vital experience and knowledge from this competition so that you can help us in planning and the development of this football club going forward. Really your prime target for Africa.
Adi, Mame Zambo about Somaya, they say they still believe as in Yan no. Abe Ramo Division 1. Do they wish you all the best? Now, I mean, is there anything best Kasa? Why is there them afro? Why?
Friend, who will make it? Don't friend.
About the Godfather, about those old Fredo. I'm from the old car.
Apostle dear, is his senior brother extraordinaire. Now, me sure say, I mean, being come behind the scenes because Apostle also said he has very, very good knowledge about African campaign. Say what we can about African football. No, and nipa mi say also na ehi omo. Also abo ebe hiao. Atako kuni omo amaka na ebe hiamu niaze na be a boy with whatever you have. No fan boy for us to execute a very good campaign. So ebe go into working together to ensure say the name of Ghana football at least on the African stage.
So I am. Why? Tiano, yeah, Aminu Shadow, na general manager my dream service in Yako, and no Ako Dinko, my bay, Heba Clinic, Mame Abi, Kona, Mamma Beboa, Bidun Cotin, when I saw we side if Fabiani, Nina so a bema wadiniswa, Yabebuania Pijamna, Bula, na Odia Bujman and Yamadi Daddy pay to me, Eddie Amazaz, a guest in Abano, Epe Bula, Dodona. It's a pet, yeah, and yes, I didn't so say now near experience, Anna Brigu. I was a old bomb, any bulla, and I know was up. Why said you are care cannot? Why is that for no? Be dear car or the cows are going out in this and as well, Juma Banana, Dini, Mamma be, Ebeboa, or the Bay Juma Kamaka, man, one call. OCS if you baby and try you pull, but some subun say cow J. Neman Kuyo Brain, our boy Tinia Swano, area map about Nebia, Nino Reno, one Namia, so no 8 minutes for your cry. Now try a ever quite hard and pay good coffee in Massey. Edimamia B, young fanfan job, Berhena, what prasa Niaman in a Guama Arena call. Second sounds and same, Aquadana is here in Dubi Uno, and Yano Cre. Na mama beboa na watimi etu ase amanema de ye pray timi e amantu kwa second test or scan test no ye enti fa na number na nkasa 0243 34539 0243 34539 na 0506 460208 0506 460208 tan also apatrapa new site obana apatrapa junction okonombo nane man de di perfa baby jata Samuel John on a treat your baba ye no Samuel John kasa fa na komosi and a bomb of the team.
They are jogging and they feel there. I don't know. They no any sense of urgency, and I said, "Maybe but that players is obvious. You think I have a ball? Any personal issue with anybody? You know, when I see things even there are some players that me pursue without even knowing anywhere. I just defend them. I do talk for them. I minimum movie. Yeah, me woman and I make it. Maybe my to be breaking away now. I can't to defend the stuff we defend. Now others no, and I'm actually like they are jogging and they feel there. I don't know. They no any sense of urgency, and I said, maybe but.
Yeah, come on, baby jet. About my dear church on a tita. You don't come off from me, Dana. The Baba be seen out Jesu. Be more defenders, be more joggy. They're informal. I'm not in that bonnet. Now, no, Bobby a D. T. Or Baba be church and some are not churching near there. Now, I go me. You know me. Then come on, what to be a Santi Chim Derek who bought in the way. Now they blame Suleiman and so at the crata about the order Hila Verona Fonase. So also in chain of fee teaching my patamo Kuku Ramo ill. And I will Ramo Kagari Cash on your Mobabi Yijma. I will turn here and Timioria Sedama. Hela Verona also announced the head that Sad and Beban 10 times. Announced on a modern mono. Baby, I didn't do no hard working guy from teaching man. Anu Jama Ili, Akumia, Obujma. T. Minim, baby, Aberfa. And every St. Jose, they are not 23 for the PB or more. Hey. I remember doing the goes watching can't seem to say this is or more as a man or my frubia catchena. And then the cross and Sisuma may be like a Sisuma may be on respond or the ma at the watching him manage Mameduna a community at the Asamo Cafao.
I listened, I said, this is Derek. Nothing surprises me in the interview. That's what I mean. I have a problem. When you say you can't omuntie, but to say you can't omuntie, and there is no evidence to prove say Okabe bin ra and Okabe bin. On can't say that Kasai and Nippon and Kasai. And what did he say? To make trust statement there, Obiabe to me make it. But I'm saying it has to be factual. I listened to Ajima Medu say after the junior national IMF for Nebebo. Ghana junior national team and Ghana national teams. I was say Bebo even in his team in 2009, team I winning World Cup, they were all in the team. Charles Benson now not take Atano, no Figroma. It is factually flawed. So let's make arguments with facts. I mean, the problem, if the argument you present is factually accurate, I don't have a problem. But yeah, the emotions because it's as if say we were waiting for the team to fail for everybody to talk. And
the Amia that come about no many baby are me befa.
Yes, abu my team for Mama Kwaba from some passports and every issue. The interest of the nation Ankasano, me sure so be our confaso di huno. He said you'll be betting me only 6, or than an obedient and Pacobe when he said 9. But no matter how it is, no, your situations be one more than in the crane. I will see it me facing reality, near addressing issue, he said, yes, it here. A bit is one say 8 down, 8 to done and he said, then should to Krum done and Hakra night as we 8. And he says, out to me done and they look like 9. By 8, the Obianim said that Honoma, Opachi and Prapra home, but to this word than any say. The bones say 8, be able to say 8. It be once and I'm a person can say. You see, me person me separate the messenger from the message. And me person be to say a personal attack on Ebia Henry Asante Chum, and I said Derek Boateng, and I said Ebia Emmanuel Ajima Bedu. But almost subject matter in terms of discussions now no more. Is it legit? A bit said that what in the end of the chassis. You know?
Oh, okay.
Or make a point say yeah, tournament not it looking like we were not well prepared. No craning ya the new matun and yenia. Me that what in Bayadune. Say that particular statement no cast and it looks like you're well prepared. No, correct.
I mean how?
We are not well prepared in the shape of how we're ready for the higher stage in terms of squad. I come in our Boma prepared team and our team preparation and kasa. Your also because say we individual players all.
Yes.
But as a team, it looked like now as a quite lost. And technically, it looks like you're penny for no more dear coin and Casanado Dona and ready so bit my BBM and said me a resource a person as a typical.
Quite
especially looking at your setup. First 11 the ball first game. Your boy your winning game. Your boss second game. Now we are Sabesi third game, near Sassi Sano. I said they will try and error.
Try testing mark 1, 2. Try testing mark 1, 2.
But any serious team who is ready for any single tournament at least Minka so being to me by the spine of the team no and the honum. as our spine a very difficult so bones of best and although because baby shemwa e be a bibi na see with injury and odi nipa kro be day e be shame omo lose omo first game Ghana they still have the confidence at least this spine can work for us. You only change nipa ba akope na be a do fufa ba be show then we move on ni akwa konya resources. It shouldn't be reactive. What did they mention? The plan should be there. Now we see a team who the obesity a bit my boy and one team achieve BB. Number 2, these things you could see or rabata Moko for your opportunity to watch us coffee chile and yoma bisa no be possible me as a see a but if you are well prepared like they're done no one can say you have to be prepared and smart about every single move of your opponent. No what yes in a chi. Just to make sure say results no sabit my day. Ebetimaka for plan A you are supposed to have a plan B. For plan B you are supposed to have a plan C. And you good facility. We are going to train. Yeah. But fine, we should have actually thought aloud and known say, anyway, dear. Abu bet me pia fa ekon e dey kwa na be wo ma betima ya betima wa because nkofo mu nya ho ma ekwa ni omu na group. So we need to be careful. San your money it looks like as a call for tournament no say e could be near kwako boare depending on the individual talents we have just to go and qualify. And I feel say there were some part of our preparations where not in a certain level a bit mama successful in the tournament. So I agree with Derek. Say it looks like we're not fully prepared. The word is fully. You're fully prepared to make sure Betimenya be in that particular tournament. But to pick aside this particular nature of the subject matter, for Henry to also tell us, say I said Derek they mean him no, not Derek no. Obianka said Derek couldn't no. The main issue that no is as na Derek Ekano and no crown answer no credit.
Although they be at the Okano. Say our me I want to be our own the award be home. Now I didn't make it down now call me guys oh I didn't any beboa now oh chairman here career that be because and I can we make it for be where be our contact me no they be a me kase me they be a me kase and we be painting aboasre on any be dia gra no in any ato nchen. And some of these things that Henry is actually saying say omo for mo funny they didn't all of these things abu these matters you know and sometimes a share one call for group a shema horoba kakra a shema horoba say now I come here wo za na me no me ye ni ze be bo awoka ma me lusu ala fe na ba ka wo ze ya obi adwen say ade ti obi adwen say omu lusu ansa na manfo be pren wo so be kan wasem na yes arete asem we minim da Ghana fon kasa asem we wo de enfa da rebuating kwanto nchen the concern that the rebuating was raising the Ghanaians are come over the time. It has been going on and going on and going on. Obi e kabia itu amaso ni won mete. Oh me ba o. Derek, me no me the issue ni team. Derek ayi djuma as coach da. E no scout. Oh, wa boda e player. Today ntina say Mr. Katokreku adjuma oyi. Who say call up nyene ade a. Also wo akwanya nzo oba approach na guys every president. Ade a wo yi. Uye ni say be bo abaro twem ani fele na be kan. Abu. Say ya no so be kan. Abu, wa twem na fele wo hemfa. Then I Henry Johnson so person chese wo twem ani fele. Obezo chese, nsem na ayo omo kan no. Ayezo omo kan wo achi but uni bibi e be bo a. Omo mo manimu be kan se ye ni say. In the first place omo bi omo pono de amo ma na. O e fe ndi ze omo pono da o. Da bi omo bie. Omo pono da o da bia. Omo pono da o akoko mo so omo pono da. Anya ni first place ni omo ya adwuma da. Akoko no makwa ko hu so omo pono da o da bia. Pono ne da. No, Abu no. Henry cannot come and tell us say there boating ma mo ho there boating ma mo ho meka bibia mfa nkire wo mo abu odina DFA president ko dina galase awas galase e kaseti ajoado na dera ajoado kai o kaseti o se joado e negative comments too much abi all see e ko it ka pe fa ba so e sha se ya ko e no so ko si sen ye hu ne ntem ke ye hu adwuma ye ko e ne ko si sen odina ni panim ka che gujoado anim aseka se we go and we be successful. Oh, come here, Musa Blaster, ye quiet and you winning one game. Ye South Korea. Ye win a Euro they pay so near the buy. Portugal no like a Kirby. Ye ba players in the Crampo be no be see porta. The be fa chain, no con the club. Or be fa chain, no con the club. And him go asienti. O ze Joado de ni bia ni o. Joado na approach if no no ko Abu baby condemn. Abu. E ba come am de ni say. O ye former Joado player kese te say Joado. O ye former player. Oh. O ye former player. Ye ni legends na adwuma ma baba ama you. So who issue dia okọ ketias okreku every president ade we yenye ni ze be dey e be boa but who is okọ toto bo ne by the end e be adwu we ni po bedwa me say apono na o ma bie no ya ye ti ase yi no
Obi no one mo be fully convinced and I say Henry improving chair beyond reasonable doubt. Said there has been instances ebia nkofo bi the idea about omo GF no omo G2 man has be omanya.
Oh, what be that?
Abu, may there have been instances I who some of even the Yenya Sika Kono, even the Coachy Black State Drew maybe no. On only suggestion Crampo to pick up some players, Crampo maybe ye take as one as be a suggestion to make sure the Ghana football bit me to pon. Ye Chinese say on fa A, on fa B, non fanco.
Sika Kono na catch oh.
Oh, Abu, seek mom dear. And then I'm wanted the beer on one casa, you will be no catch them.
Ono aneka say tam no ye adwuma na na
Sika Kono so ye madam for pa.
Tam wo wi adwuma.
Owo kuma sa sante kotoko nya na me Sika Kono pa de.
Awya.
Ye tubom.
Tam no ye adwuma na no wi e no.
Abu, what's the time I know ye there?
O ye adwuma na no wi.
There were suggestions he made as at the time he was working for them they didn't pick.
Eh akomia.
Yes. Yes.
I know apostle tam e pam no.
It's see there what is susu gina bonten. No so ka say Henry dey na wo dey atum. See there what is susu gina the other side no so ka che wo say o ka che Ghana fo nyina say no so ko ho no mo man fi na dey na beka.
Oh eno ne dey oh but
no you are now picking up picking one side of the story which is not clear.
Ti o me ba o. Deeper no kasa me
say
I say Derek money other way no be open so my ideas so mo dey ba ba o mo ono ne so man o kai wa ba no man o zo be man ayi bia abaro tie chi e kekanzem
tie me ana me say ya ye tie ye need vivid evidence to show so mako ana so mo nko
ana nipa no ko no be ma report no na e confirm cho so mo ma o
ana Henry na sem na o kan me nyini
awon
me nyini
se bia e wo fia
me nyini
me ba e wo fia uti de me kan e wo fia na asem bi esi asem si ofia asem si ofia me ba na e bia wo kokko twiti na onipa oben senchoni obe Habib eso twiti a when dey no me fa ne say serious ba sa asem asifia
sa me dey no me fa ne serious so because if you na mete
mo Thierry no ofia all okazo oni ama o
this particular example ya wo me e good it's understandable say ebia fie no wo mu no na tini fie no hunu so bia ba no ana so bi ma no ho ani obi so otifie so e mambofo o e mambofo no so no na adwe e wo ni trim nyina na ye say bibia no ma mefa so betimi abo ama bia fie no entoto ya ye na timi atumpon metimi twantro just to make sure say me the protect fie ni image what shows say Habib asem na wo kan ye no kre but I'm also lying just to protect the image of fie na me wo no
mate my
bit say footballers on betimi akon dressing room dressing room no be kono there is somebody who is closer to the club obetimi di aba beto abonten say hey asumasi na obenti mo kon dressing room say no see after the game but the club will come and deny but at the end of the day me can't say me say always time and patience will review what was right and what was wrong.
Mate Migi Bram
Abu my mention here with Dreams FC amo decision to go to Africa I think say more mabaso but abaso body no it should also come with some cautionary words I'll be cardiac trauma. What check here in recent times your clubs no more Africa so G League and or GFA Cup no they tend to struggle in the domestic league the same season no more they about Africa no and it's because one they need a better plan to maintain or sustain success.
Oh okay
check it or them for the last 3 seasons Fanya Yastic House of Folk G League no they were supposed to bolster almost squad now. Some almost beefing it up. Then we do. No multimedia be Africa. No multimedia be ball league. To defend their title. Ecosystem. Africa and Koye. Then in the league they performed woefully. No the FA Cup no. Epepo menim. Then Kotoko Korea. Kotoko's title defense in the Ghana Premier League was absolutely poor. And then in Africa cried here. And Ngwasi Ebetu Omoa. Against Kadiogo. So I am not defending the title, embarking on an African campaign. It needs a lot of planning and investment into the playing body and then even in the entire campaign or project. One, Tessa Sante Kodokodia year for instance. Mbella, no your top scorer after the season then you see. Most of the players are no more campaigns, you know. They either moved away from the club by way of transfer, and I say be more contract no create we and I say be okay job more. So what am I saying? What I'm saying is that would Dreams FC be in a position say or maintaining the players no the body FA Cup ni na question mark kesiya pa bataw because we have become a selling league. your league na your bono. Your tons are so retention of players our form. Then maintaining even 90% of players now. Why mo no mo di omo ba be shemwa e peja club na dia koneni because what the FA Cup na wie o level ne 70 I was at the next season no based on recruitment I was say peja ko be 80%. And I think that one Sikasem you need to spend more. Try to convince players to stay longer. You bring in new players as well. And then even the Africa now be called according to no one sense until more asem money po. I'll say they will even need some resources from Parliament near there. I have always clamored for this. Sir, one-off event donation, charitable exercises, no, and sustaining. There should be something. Yeah, to say a club we near Africa. A bino, you trust say they are two. Nemum the SRF club no honey. Enti a give and take. So a bine de mano. Or shame himself so be a bibia, a bemo no a bine when you are so fast. Sir and sooner. Say a companies na your best key support anywhere. Then so about become home. FND the other become so you have pool of resources. Walk out boom. Now we did 2 sana mono. Now question club na na ba call lobby for no one initiatives abu. And I'm paying and it doesn't really help us to perform in Africa. You don't just need a good team. You also need a very, very healthy budget. To me sustain it to me because at times born in the oberbo at your member cost no. I can now go doing. So these are some of the issues that need to be tackled. And Dreams FC there now but let it not be just an event. It should be something that we agree. Anka and so Parliamentary Select Committee on Youth, Sports and Culture. Anka BBNC Omokwan said they open up a discussion like this. What are we doing? They boa your football clubs now at the continental level Omokwa coach na name. So that we can all at least come together. No be benefited from each other. Until Dreams say benefiting no na buying so benefited. Then we move on. Sana me feel say Parliament na out of benevolence or market can your mabum kakao my Dreams monjen ko Africa. No be another club and when your parliamentary access are there. Exactly. To the black meteors there, you see, everybody has an opinion in situations like this. The word and then the word underlined. I was here to me did done the pano tolerance.
Oh, okay.
Situation be say as a Ghana tournament anko year. A buffoni way amount for muno. Some will not even make sense, but you should accommodate them. So on the way is it here no? Because Nipano de buffone kasa, so the person will speak like a fan. Engineer what expert opinion. Expert opinion here obia. Ebi ono ye football inclined. Born or tiasie. Into onim say. Enye nyoma ase yina into na team ko tournament and more performing. There are times your preparations and everything might be solid. Baakwa tournament and fam due to hard luck. Football's on it here. In 82 year kwaje AFCON. Were we well prepared? There was a makeshift blast apostle to Rebecca story that show. It was a tournament yes, a young call.
I'm the tournament there,
Exactly. But we went there to win. So and that's a football no. You see, it is an interesting sport. And now 1 + 1 is equals to 2 DBL. There are times 1 + 1 never quite 3. Untimimbe explaining inexplicable. But when you have tournament near more home, everybody is entitled to an opinion. The only thing is don't insult. But obia wo kwan so kasabi. Akomia beka ne de obeka de meka me de otie wo fie de ohwe obia beka ne de. But it is up to you as a decision maker to sift through. It is a ukita sonye. Na wo sone so. In some no de beka